Hello students, welcome to NIRS education channel. Today let us see the working with the text part from the lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. In our previous session we have completed comprehension check part. Now let us see the working with the text part. First question, the author describes Bipin Babu as a serious and hardworking man. What evidence you can find in this story to support this? Yes, author described Bipin Babu as a serious and hardworking man. In the text also we can get evidence of that. Bipin Babu had been working in a firm for 25 years and he had a responsible job in that firm. And he had reputation for being a tireless and conscientious worker. Okay, he had a reputation of being tireless and conscientious worker. So by these things we can say Bipin Babu was a serious and hardworking man. Next, why did Bipin Babu change his mind about meeting Chunilal? What was the result of this meeting? Yes, in the beginning we came to know that Bipin Babu he was not ready to meet Chunilal because he knew very well that Chunilal came to his house in order to ask a job and he was not ready to offer him any job. That's why he did not want to meet him. But later he changed his mind. He decided to meet Chunilal because he thought that there might be possibilities of Chunilal might know something about his Ranchi trip which occurred in the year 1958. So in order to ask him about 1958 Ranchi trip, his Ranchi trip, he decided to meet him. Then what was the result in this meeting? The result, it is very clear. Even Chunilal also confirmed that Bipin Babu had been to Ranchi in the year 1958. And it added to his worry, Bipin Babu's worry, and he decided to consult a specialist, consult a doctor. Bipin Babu lost consciousness at Hudru Falls. What do you think was the reason for this? Yes, in the Hudru Falls, Bipin Babu became unconscious. Then two Gujarati visitors, Gujarati gentlemen from the group of picnickers discovered him. Then what was the reason for his fall? Here exactly it is not mentioned anywhere in the text how he became unconscious, but we can understand that probably he might have slipped there and he had fallen there. Because of that he became unconscious. How do you think Bipin Babu reacted when he found out that Chunilal had tricked him? Yes, Bipin Babu, how did he react when he found out that Chunilal had tricked him? Probably Bipin Babu might have felt ashamed of himself. He might have regretted for being so unfeeling towards his old friend, old schoolmate. And also he might have felt ashamed for being fooled by Chunilal. So probably even he might have thought to help his friend Chunilal. And when he came to know about the truth, probably he came back to his earlier condition. Means to the normal condition. So with this we have completed this working with the text part. Let us go for the another topic in the next session. Thank you for watching video.